Hey crafty friends, today we're celebrating Christmas with a tropical twist. This fun and festive flamingo themed card is the perfect way to blend holiday cheer with beachy vibes. So let's get to crafting. To get started on this really cute and fun Christmas summer card, I am going to be using the scrapbook.com nested arches die set, as well as the Tim Holtz Sizzix flamingo die set. And I love this flamingo die set because he has the most sassy look on his face. I love it. Such a cute expression. We're going to be using the heavyweight mixed media paper pad. This is the 4¼ by 5½. Love this because it's already cut down to size for you for your normal A2 size card. And I will be also using the Simple Story 6x8 paper pad Snow Pine Lodge. This has a lot of beautiful kind of retro looking papers. So I decided to use two papers in here. One of them is this really pretty pink and red plaid, as well as the pine trees that has this snow falling down in the background. Really pretty. What I've already gone ahead and done is I took one sheet of the mixed media paper pad, and using some double-sided adhesive, I adhered the pink and red plaid paper right on top of it. And using the nested arches die set, it comes with 12 nested arches from largest all the way to the very smallest. So I went ahead and I took the two largest arches and I layered it just like this to create a border. So what I did is I'm just going to take just a sheet of paper here just to show you. So I took the largest of the nested arches and then I placed this right on top of that to create a border. And then I used some mint tape and then ran this through my die cutting machine. So what I ended up getting was a really nice border. And then I took the second largest of the nested arches and I die cut my background paper. We have our background paper. This goes right on top. So what I wanted to do with this is create a makeshift snow globe. And with the largest of the arches, I went ahead and I die cut my acetate. This is going to go right behind my border, just like that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to apply my acetate to the back here. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of glue onto the back side, just a light layer. Okay, so we have our acetate added onto the back side of that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to figure out where exactly we want our background paper to be. I'm going to be using the scrapbook.com, and this is the 1/8 inch wide. And these are their foam strip adhesives. And this is really nice because they are really skinny to be able to go around the arch here. We're going to fill the center with a bunch of different sequins. So I have a few of the snowflake ones from Recollections that we're going to use. I have some Gina K as well as Picket Fence Studios in the colorway Iridescent Moonshine. So we're just going to take a little bit that right into the center because we want this to look like a snow globe. And then we'll do just a few of the snowflakes. And then we'll do some picket fence. And we're just going to carefully peel off the foam tape backing. All right, so here is what our snow globe looks like so far. Really cute. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work on our flamingo. So for the Sizzix Tim Holtz flamingo die, it does come with quite a few pieces, but using the model picture as a guide, it was really easy to put together. So here is my flamingo that I made, and I created a little Santa hat on top. I went ahead and I used different types of textured pink paper that I had in my stash, and I also added some kitsch flamingo around the edges just to add a little bit of depth to him. But he's so cute. Look at how sassy he looks. So this is going to go right on top, just like that. To finish off the bottom here, I have this scrap piece of scrapbook paper that I'm just going to add to the very bottom. Okay. And then we're just going to add this right to the very bottom. Trim off the excess. Had this little tag that also came from this collection. So it comes with a sheet of tags like this. So then I just went ahead and I backed it right on the same paper. I punched a hole, and now I'm going to take some twine, some baker's twine, cut a piece off. So I'm going to take some of that and just add that like so. And I just want to tie a bow right at the top. So I'm just going to take some glue. Take a piece of foam tape, put that right on the back. And here is our finished snow globe shaker card. It's the perfect combination of summer and Christmas together. Thank you so much for spending time crafting with me today. It was fun to share a bit of holiday magic in the middle of summer. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. I have some very fun holiday cards coming up, so stay tuned for that. Take care. Bye.